I made something new.
This is a cleaning checklist to organize all of the tasks necessary for keeping the print shop clean. I designed it using a template in Canva, then printed it, laminated it, and put it in a 3-ring binder. Today, I'm tackling our staging station and shipping station. I'll admit it took a good chunk of time to visit every space in our shop and make a list of what specific cleaning tasks needed to be done and arrange them all in order. But it only needs to be done once, so it was worth it. I'm a big fan of the book Getting Things Done by David Allen, which teaches that it's much easier to complete big tasks by breaking them down into bite-sized components. So rather than clean the shop, which sounds incredibly intimidating, I can start by cleaning a single station inside the shop, which sounds much more manageable. And when station number 1 is done, then move on to station number 2. Another eye-opening book is The Checklist Manifesto by Atul Gawande, which says that even if you complete a procedure all the time, it's easy to get overconfident and miss important steps. So within each station, there is a checklist with a clear and explicit step-by-step to make sure nothing is forgotten. It's also great to have a checklist like this if you have a window of available time that's only a few minutes long. I might not be able to get the entire station clean at once, but I can at least do the tabletop. Because the pages of this binder are laminated, I can use it again and again, checking things off in dry erase marker, and then wiping the pages clean when it's time to start over again. The 3-ring binder setup means I can remove one page and take it with me to the station that needs cleaning. Or during the time of year when we're buzzing with shop helpers, they are able to each grab a page to divide and conquer. Here at Hardcopy HQ, we love custom projects. If you think a system like this would be helpful in your classroom, home, or office, we'd be happy to help you bring it to life through print. Thanks for watching.